Ayan naman po tayo. Nag-FB10 tayo na very, very slight. Very, very cute. But, ano pa nga ba magagawa natin? Ganito na talaga. Cheris. How are you guys? Buchanan Podcast for episode 5. Uploaded na, girl! Subscribe ka. Nasa YouTube na siya. Napanood ko na kagabi. Gandang gabi, Alan Segi. Nirush ko ang pagkain para dito. Wow, sana hindi ka nabilaukan. Hi, mix cousin mo pala si Janela. Yeah, yes, ano siya, pinsan ko siya. Very cutesy, FB10. Hello. Welcome sa mga bagong pasok. Welcome to Mix Mondays. Another Monday, on time na naman po tayo this week. In fairness, parang 3 weeks na yata ako on time. Pag napansin ako ni Mix mag-review na ako, go mag-review ka na. I haven't watched the episode. Dapat ba ako matakot? Matakot saan? Ganda mo, Chess, sa Mega Mall PLDT. Thank you so much. But also, grabe, na-overstimulate ako ng heart sa PLDT kasi ang gugulo nyo. Charot. She used to be my colleague in Decathlon. Decathlon dito sa Masinag, diba? Tama ba? I miss your gray hair. Honestly, I don't. Medyo, I'm enjoying having my natural dark hair at the moment. I'm not in the mood to like color it yet. Para ina-enjoy ko na it's dark now. I'm growing it out a little bit because I do want to have a slight mullet moment. Kaya medyo mahaba siya sa likod. But always keeping the sides short para mas madali for drag. Mix, what's your phone? I just got an iPhone 15. Kaka-upgrade lang natin. Salamat, Drag Race. Doon napunta yung prize money ko from the ball. Charot. Excited na for Rusical? I'm also excited for Rusical. Spotify playlist recos. Ano mong marireco ko na Spotify playlist right now? You can search Pisces Feelings. That's one of my personal playlists. I haven't updated it in a while, but ano siya, parang dati, kino-create ko talaga siya, like yung song flow and everything. Yeah, it's just a lot of songs that have a great deal of sentimental value to me. Sa lahat ng mga nagpapapansin para mag-review na kayo. Huwag kayong Huwag na kayong papilit pa. Sana top era ka na ulit, Mix. Ala, ayoko na mag-top. Ay, hindi pala. Ibang usapan pala yun. Charis. Gusto mo suntukin ko sarili ko, pics or not true? Charot. O, yung mga kailangan gumawa ng assignment. Yung mga kailangan mag-review na. Huwag na kayong papilit. Huwag na kayong The Spotify playlist is called Pisces Feelings. Like, Pisces, like the fish. Pisces Feelings. It should be under my name, Mick Chanel. But yeah, it's a playlist that I curated from before pa. It's 5 hours of songs. One word to describe your Rusical, wicked. Hi everyone! Kamusta? It's another Monday. I shot some content today. Abangan kung para saan. But yeah, I shot something this morning with Alan Segi of Studio Segi. I really love that shoot. I'm so excited to see the photos. When kaya kita makikita sa personal ang layo ko kasi, problema ko yun. Sorry, Kimila. Hello sa mga nakakamiss sa akin. Thank you. Wow. Room tour. My room's kind of a mess right now kasi nagkaroon ako ng problem with like either intense humidity in my closet or like a leak. Basta magulo yung kwarto ko right now kasi I had to take clothes out of my closet and to inspect kung yung nangyayari. But anyway, punta ka sa bahay. Mix, nasa bahay na ako. Huy. Miss you, Chanel Marie. Hindi para bigyan mo ko ng pangalang hindi ka pa nagkapakita sa akin. Wow. Matagal na po ba kayo mag-drag mom ni Eva? Well, I started attending Drag Playhouse Zoom events when I was 3 months into doing drag. And then I became Eva's drag mentee / drag daughter officially when I was like 7 months into doing drag. And I've been doing drag for, I think, 4.5 years na. So, ayun. Tagal na rin naman. Marikina food crawl recos, please. Honestly, hindi ko maasahan dyan kasi I'm only in Marikina to sleep. Literally, like, I've been so busy with gigs and shoots and stuff na umuwi lang ako dito sa Marikina sa bahay para matulog. Hi, Mix. First meet and greet ko with the Queen sa 22. Ano maganda bigay besides the tips? I don't know. Hindi ko alam how, like, what other queens want, but ako, adding new Pop Mart toys is always welcome because I love my Pop Marts. But I also accept any FB10. Anyway, I also like having cute little stuffed toys. Eto, I have a bunch of things here from the last few meet and greets. Eto, someone gave me this ribbon flower nung PLDT. I love it so much. Ayan, nakatabi siya dyan in my anik-anik shelf. Skincare, I use a lot of Garnier products. Yeah, I use a lot of Garnier products. Yung mga vitamin C nila has been really good to me. I use retinol ng Kiehl's, toner ng Kiehl's, toner ng Oxycure also. I use a night cream na vitamin C ng Garnier. Elmer's glue, lol. So, kakabili ko lang po ng 30 Elmer's glue sticks. So, medyo goods na ako for a while. I mean, kung gusto nyo pa rin akong bigyan, willing to accept, but, well-stocked ako now sa glue. 1 word for episode 6, Rusical. 3 words for episode 6, Rusical na yehey. Do you often hang out with Marina and Eva? We don't get to hang out as often anymore. Dati sa mga Zoom parties, we used to always be in like a separate group call together pa. Tapos ng viewing parties no season 1, marami kaming work together and like, we get to hang out after the show sometimes. But now, we're all so busy and we don't get booked a lot. Actually, I don't get a lot of time to hang out with people outside of work lately. As in, puro gigs, shows, and shoots. And no complaints, but yeah. Pa-drop ng link ng Pisces Feelings, please. Remind me to drop that sa stories ko. Bakit si Kiana sorry yung 1 word niya for next episode? I don't know. Favorite Pop Mart ko is Baby Molly or Oi Pipi. So, here. Wait. Ayan, let me get a couple of my favorites. Ayan. Here. So, we have here Baby Molly. She's cute. Tapos ang cute ng Molly na to. Ang cute ng Molly line na to kasi they have the medyo follow me eyes siya na slide but not as much as Oi Pipi. And then of course we have the regular Molly line. Tapos ito, this one, naka-magnet yung mga frying pan sa kanya. And then, we have here si Oi Pipi. Ito yung naka-follow me eyes talaga. Like, look, i-tilt nyo yung mukha niya, nakatitig siya sa inyo. I love that. Tapos sobrang shiny niya. Most of the other Pop Marts kasi are matte. And this one, sobrang unique niya for me na it's shiny. And then another Oi Pipi. This one, oh my god, me as a Pop Mart, like, look, may luha siya and everything. Tapos sa likod nakalagay, don't cry, like, me. Fave Pokemon and why? Sinabi ko na sa, alam nyo kayo, hindi kayo nanonood ng mga Meet the Queens ko. Sinabi ko na sa Meet the Queens ko, this Eevee, just like my tattoo right here. My favorite Pokemon is Eevee because I love the idea na, nag-evolve siya into different evolutions. Anyway, BRB, wait, balik ko lang itong mga to. Ay! Nahulog! Mamaya ka na. Okay, going back. Sa nangihingi ng spoiler, mute muna kita hang gulo mo eh. Huwag kayong manghingi ng spoilers. Like, that's not what we're here for. Mix, just want to tell you that I'm proud of you. You've gotten this far, pero I hope na you remain kind and patient sa sarili mo at sa progress mo. I anticipate your further success. Oh, girl, it's been a well, so as you guys have seen, I've been in the bottom for 3 weeks in a row. And it really, like, it was a big blow to my confidence as a person. FB10. Anyway, going back, yeah, it was quite a blow to my confidence as a person, but I've worked through, I've done a lot of therapy after filming to kind of like work back up to that, and now I kind of just see it as cringy, but also kind of funny, na parang, well, I mean, stuff happens, parang very, very that. Please be kind to yourself, you're doing great. I mean, yeah, ano naman, na-appreciate ko pa rin naman yung performance ko on the show. And, ayun, parang, it's been months, guys. Yun talaga yung parang masabi ko, parang, yun napapanood nyo now, months na namin yan alam, months ago na yan nangyari sa amin. And, a lot of us have, done our work and have moved forward from it. Ako, I've done a lot of work, based on what happened on the show, and ayun lang, parang it's a little hard to sometimes to like relive the experiences, but we're good. I'm doing well. Ang FB10 today ha, medyo ang connection natin not giving. I think kasi umuulan naman. Okay, frustrating na slight interconnection, but alas, c'est la vie. Reaction to Perfect 10 ang latest Drag Race Philippines episode sa IMDb. I'm just very happy to be part of Snatch Game. I mean, I know I was in the bottom. I know I didn't do the best. But honestly, I had a lot of fun during our Snatch Game. The internet is not giving, frustrated. Anyway. Ano yung sabi ko? I had a lot of fun during Snatch Game. And parang after getting a lot of comments na you're too serious, need to have more fun. Snatch Game was like so much fun for me, and hindi man siya nag-translate sa performance ko, but it was a good boost for my morale. Loadan na po si Mama. Ala, mahina rin signal ng data dito sa kwarto eh. So, tiis-tiis tayo sa wifi. Any Sunny Angel collection? I don't collect Sunny Angels kasi parang lahat ng tao kino-collect na yung Sunny Angels. Pero, oh my God, alam niyo ba, isa sa mga wishlist ko is sana may magbigay sa akin ng yung internet. Hindi ko na alam gagawin. I think, should I restart my router? Restart ko ba yung wifi ko? Restart ko ba? Kasi like, okay, basta pag nawala uli yung connection, i-restart natin.